So the sinks came the other day. We went and grabbed them off the front porch of the house that Gerrit's parents are staying at. And Gerrit thinks that the kitchen, or that the bathroom sink is a behemoth. And I disagree. I mean, it's big, but the whole, like the wash size is the same. I mean, it's a residential sink, and this is an RV, so I understand that it looks big. Well, it's gonna look bigger, not in the hole. You be careful. I mean, yes, it's bigger, obviously. Stop it, Gerrit. But
it's huge.
Once it's sunken in the hole, I feel like it's gonna. I think it'll fit. I think you're gonna make it fit for me, aren't you?
I'll do my best, but it's gonna take up the whole counter.
It's not gonna take up the whole counter. Look, you can use this part of it as like to put things on, whereas this you can't because of these dumb grooves. You can't put like the soap on it without it sliding off. So
I think people are gonna walk into our bathroom and say, "Holy sink!"
I disagree.
This thing is huge.
I mean, it's big, but it's not a behemoth. You're gonna eat your words.
So what I'm really worried is that we have our sink is like it's like 16 inches. Not the basin, just like the overall size of it. This one's like 18 inches. So if we can get an extra two, that's butting all the way up against the wall, and we're right at 18 inches. Unfortunately, we have like a lip on the counter, so it's like you can't actually start cutting until right here. Like this sink is butt up as far this way as it can possibly go. So I really don't think it's going to fit.
But you're gonna try.
I'm gonna try. And then it's also like a little bit wider, but that's not huge too.
No, the wideness is the issue.
The basin is about the same size. I just don't think...
He's gonna make it work. You wait and see. Now this one, for sure, is going to fit perfectly. What?
All of this just seems so big.
Well, it's for a house.
Look at the size of this drain.
Gerrit.
It's so big.
It's a normal house-sized drain.
Think this is going to work? This like mechanism?
Oh my gosh, it's just like a normal house. You can plug it the same. Is it too high tech for you?